A well-designed card can stand out instantly when its background texture quietly reinforces professionalism and style. How to design business card pattern backgrounds. Launch Photoshop and create a square document around 1500 pixels so details remain sharp when scaled down. Draw a minimal motif using the pen or shape tool and position it neatly on the canvas. Duplicate the motif evenly, maintaining wide spacing so the design stays subtle rather than distracting. Choose muted colors that complement business typography and refine tones using adjustment layers. Use filter, other, offset to ensure seamless repetition and correct any visible seams. Group all